Today, we're adding a bold and colorful transition, color bars, also known as the color wipe transition. Let's jump right in. First, open your Canva video project and make sure you've placed at least 2 clips on the timeline. Now, hover between those clips and click on the transition icon. From the list, select color wipe. This will create a vibrant bar style wipe transition between your clips. You'll notice 8 arrows that let you choose the direction of the wipe: up, down, left, right, and diagonal options too. Just click the arrow that fits your style. Next, click on the color tiles shown on the screen. Canva lets you customize each bar with the colors you want, so you can go bold, subtle, or stick to your brand palette. Use the duration slider to control the speed of the transition. Slower durations give you a more dramatic reveal, while faster ones keep things quick and snappy. And that's it. You've just added a dynamic color bars transition to your Canva video. It's a great way to add energy and style between scenes. If this helped you out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva editing tutorials.